Hi guys, welcome back to Latoria Designs and Decor. So I am doing a furniture flip for this dresser. I'm actually making it a dresser storage because I'm only going to use 3 of the dresser drawers. But you can use it as for clothes, or you can use it as a kitchen storage where like you want to use your not pots, but like your candle risers or something as that sort. You can store some candles in here or whatever you want to do. I know it's hard to look at this and see that now, but the transformation will be unbelievable. But first and foremost, we want to clean this because it was very dirty because of course this was someone else's, so you want to clean the product as best as you can. So that's what I'm doing. I'm cleaning the entire dresser around it, and then I'll take the drawers out and I'll begin to clean those and actually clean the bottom of this, guys. Also, if you are new, welcome. And if you are someone that is returning, please don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed, you will get all of my notifications of every video I upload. Guys, I do big DIY, small home decor pieces. If not, you can also catch me on Instagram at Latoria Designs Decor, guys. And I hope you enjoy this. After I finished cleaning the dresser, there were like some rough spots on the top of this dresser and also the dresser drawer. So I'm just slightly going across with my sander. I couldn't find my sander block, so I had to get my electrical sander, and it worked just as well, even faster. So I'm just smoothing down some of those rough spots on the top of the dresser for now, and then I'm going to go through each dresser drawer and sand those as well. So, like I said, I've taken the dresser drawers and I'm sanding them one by one. And after I finish doing that, I'm taking them out because I have to take the knobs out. And excuse that noise, that was my daughter knocking. But taking the knobs out of this drawer was some were easy, and then the last one I had was extremely difficult because, again, this is an old dresser, and one of the knobs were actually broken. But this one was fairly easy to get off. But it's just that last one that was broken at the bottom that was so difficult because whoever had screwed this on prior just didn't do it right. So it was kind of difficult, but I eventually got it off, and I did clean all of the dressers when I was finished. So after I finished cleaning the dressers, I just went around the borders of the dresser, and I went around with my waverly chalk paint with that. After I finished cleaning the dresser tops, I just went around the top of the dresser with the waverly white chalk paint again, and I avoided covering the holes because they were already pre-drilled holes that I wanted to put new knobs on, so I didn't want to cover that. And so I did that for all 4 dressers. After I finished painting the borders of the dresser, I painted the sides of the dresser with this black waverly chalk paint, so I can give it like this ash look because I wanted to look weathered or distressed. I didn't want it to have like this perfect finish when I finish, but to still actually look good but still have that weathered look. And so this waverly black, it's called ink for waverly chalk paint. I did that a couple of times on each side so that it can give me the distressed look I was going for. And so next I had to, I wanted to stencil. I wanted to use a zigzag stencil on each of these dressers. And I had to do that very carefully, placing it, making sure it lined up very carefully. And then stenciling this to the desired look that I wanted. So I grabbed I had an actually piece of wood that I already had, which fit perfectly on top of the dresser. And I just used my wood stain, my dark walnut wood stain on this. And I probably did it twice to get the desired look that I wanted. And it turned out so good. So this is the outcome of the dresser. I love it so much. It's dresser slash storage because you can not only use it for clothing, but you can use it also in another section of your home, in this like living room, or also your kitchen, depending on how you want to use this as storage. I used it where I put my candle risers all the way at the bottom. I took the fourth dresser out of it and I use it as storage. Down there, and it can actually hold a lot of items, and I just love how the zigzags turned out. They're not perfect, but they look really pretty. And I like how it has that weather look going across it. I love how the outcome, I love the knobs of the dresser, and guys, I just hope you enjoyed it too.